Man.
Yes, sir. Got the countertops done, the floors done.
Y'all got him here too?
Yes, sir.
Sure did.
Yep.
Y'all did good, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate you.
Man. But you got me on this thing.
Yeah.
Oh, you sure done trick me, man.
Yeah, brought that countertop back to
But
life.
you know what? My wife was just talking about them countertops.
See there?
She was.
And she gonna be surprised when she come home. Like you said, when you felt them before, they feel rough. Now look how smooth they are, like glass.
I'm the big dog of the house again.
All right, guys, June 5th, we just left Atlanta taking care of Mr. Hole. Now we are out here in Mr. Kenner in Stockbridge, Georgia. Hold on, guys, let me clean my phone off. All right, that's better. So we're in Stockbridge, Georgia. This client told me he had did a Google search and he ended up going to my website. My website landed him on my YouTube channel. And he said, Courtney, my wife put this stuff on the floor. It turned the floors white and I need you, man. So he called like 2 days ago. Today was the only day I was able to fit him in the schedule because we did have that small job earlier. It's like a little bit less than like 260 square feet. We're doing a screen, recoat, and UV cure. All right, guys, let me show you what we got going. All right, so when you come in here to the garage, over here. So I just test my screen. You see all this white stuff? See all this, guys? See all that? His wife, Mrs. Kenner, put something on the floor. See how the floors look hazy? It was some product she used. So all we're doing is all this. And you can see like right here, see how she went around the rug. So under the rug looks good. So what we did, we taped it off right here and pulled out that vent for me, Tavares. And you see how it's all white right here? So we're just gonna screen it down. That's the best way to get it off. And then we're gonna recoat it with a semi-gloss rag coat. And then we're gonna UV cure it so they can put the furniture back today. All right, guys, let me go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we got all that wax off the floor. Tavares is cleaning tacking. Very, very important step. So that what it's going to do, if there was any residue left, it will highlight it. We will either just take care of that by hand. But as you can see, using the in-home citrus solution, I want to put a little bit right here just to make sure. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, hit that for me, Tavares. And yes, guys. So perfect. Yep. So you can see that we got all that stuff off the floor. So we're gonna get these floors cleaned really good. And then what we're gonna do is apply rag coat before UV cure. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, got the rag coat going down. semi-gloss. Also, we got the countertops clean, buffed, polished, and sealed. Yes, sir. All right, guys, look how great these floors came out. And I must say, Mr. Kenner knows his floors. He said, Courtney, let's go with a semi-gloss. So you can actually see how the semi-gloss runs really good with the part that we didn't do. Now, you're not gonna always get a perfect match because it's not the same finish, but that's pretty close, guys. So anyway, floors have been abraded, got all that residue and build up off the floor, clean, vacuum, rag coat. Now it's time for the UV cure. Also, look at those countertops, clean, buffed, polished, and sealed. Oh man, that looks good. All right, guys, I'm about to go ahead and UV cure. That way the furniture can go back same day. Biggest benefit of the UV cure. You want to keep that in the 20s and 30s. Make sure we get a good cure. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Another happy client. Floors look amazing. Countertops. And Mr. Kenner, he told me the whole time, he said, Courtney, you do very good quality work, and that's one thing I do not mind paying for is good quality work. And I'll tell you guys, I'm the same thing. I don't price shop. I look for the best that my money can buy, because one thing I've learned when you price shop, a lot of times you don't get what you think you're gonna get, and you have to end up paying somebody else to do it right. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Oh, that looks amazing. See you in the next one.